In this video, we guide you through the commissioning process for the Solaredge Home Backup Interface solutions using the Set App mobile app. Note that it is mandatory to install and commission the Solaredge Home Hub inverter and battery before connecting and commissioning the backup interface unit. The commissioning process is mostly similar for the three-phase and the single-phase solutions. In this video, the graphics shown are only for the three-phase. We will call the backup interface BUI for short. Make sure the inverter is commissioned and its firmware version is 4.19 or later. There are two main types of backup systems you can install. Full home backup, where all home loads are connected on the load side of the BUI. On the other hand, partial home backup only has some of the loads connected on the grid side of the BUI and will not operate during a backup event. For partial home backup, you must use an external Solaredge meter. Modbus or inline are allowed. Now, go to the description of this video to find your specific installation use case.